Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. Got a sharp sand rail here. It's built on a 1973 Volkswagen setup and title, so you can make this street legal. It's got all the blinkers, brake lights, mirrors. It's very nice. Lots of bling on it, LED lights, lots of chrome. You got your trailer hitch here. Maybe you can pull a small golf cart or something with it, who knows. Beautiful engine. This is not a remanufactured engine, this is all new. I believe it's a 1600cc engine. AS41 case. It's got some G01 Brazilian heads. C35 scat cam. Look at all this chrome. Got some TP headers. It's got a serpentine belt for maintenance free. Some billet pulleys. Internal regulated alternator. It's got a nice oil cooler. Weber carburetor. Lots of goodies. We're going to crank it up in a minute. Got your toolbox here. Got the CB radio microphone. Gotta have that. Independent rear suspension. It's got disc brakes. Beautiful chrome wheels. Nice shiny tank. Comfortable seats with seat belts. How about this glove box? Pretty cool. Rack and pinion steering. It's got adjustable pedal plate so you can adjust it for different height driver. It moves backward and forward, all aluminum. Got some nice gauges. Got your tach, cylinder head temperature, oil pressure, voltmeter, AM, FM, CD. Got a Cobra CB. Detachable steering wheel. And she cranks this right up. Got a clear distributor. A little windy, but show you the blinkers. You got one button for the left, one button for the right. You just push it, and it stays on for a few seconds. It goes off by itself. Same thing for the front. Just a cool rig. It's in good shape, everything works. It's a blast to drive. The head turner. To see if this sand rail is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. We do shipping available. If you need a shipping quote, give me a call. If you have any question, you can call or text 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.